Hey guys, welcome back to the Deacstr. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. So today we're gonna make this Diet Coke go sky high with Mentos and this funny contraption. So first you gotta make sure this lever is closed. So see, it's open right now. Now it's closed. Then got to take the lid off. Then put the Mentos in. The Mentos will go right there. Then open the contraption, Mentos falls right in, that'll go shooting sky high.
I thought it would have waited a second.
No, I didn't think so.
Oh, what do you think of that?
I told you they go 20.
It went way out there.
It would have knocked out your drone.
It would have definitely hit the drone.
If your drone would have been like right on top of it, your drone would be broken, dead. Guys, so that explosion was pretty cool, and my father, he did not think it would immediately explode, but it did. And if the drone would have been right on top of it, it would have got knocked out. So that was pretty cool, and it probably went somewhere around 20 feet in the air. So, bye guys!